Hi. And I. What up with this softcore lighting? Is it made for TV movie or is it low budget porn? I don't know. Went to Walmart today. Saw a brand new flavor of Ruffles. I said, that'll be free. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Ruffles Double Crunch. Korean sweet chili. Korean sweet chili. Double Crunch, which is not the Ruffles I'm used to. Not the Ruffles of my childhood, but oh boy. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Whoa. They're a lot more bright and like, whoa. A lot more whoa in person. Let me show you. All natural flavors. Koreans. Flavored Koreans. Korean sweet chili flavors. It does look chemically as all fucking hell. But, oh, is there a story on the back of this bag? Oh. Ruffles Double Crunch Korean sweet chili flavored potato chips deliver an intense fusion of sweet and heat. Okay. Is this like their answer to like sweet chili heat from like the Lay's and stuff, and with the Doritos? Those are enjoyable. Whoa, crunch! Whoa. Oh. I'm crying. I'm crying. No, not it. Oh, you got the heat. Okay, Ruffles. I see you. And I hear you. Oh my God. Now my suddenly I see on the bag. If I look closer, there's little flames. Warning sign on a bag, which I did not see because of the tricky lighting in Walmart. So you'll be hearing from my lawyer. They taste good, but ooh, they got some kick. Anyway, moral of the story: who else has tried these? Hit me up in the comments, description. You know what to do. Anyways, TTYL and upload.